Leisure Travel Vans, we are very excited. We have a brand new Mercedes-Benz 2019 chassis with a ton of new features. They've added high performance LED lights with the high beam assist. The fog lights, when you are turning with your turning signal light on, it will let the person know that you're turning, the light comes on. That is absolutely spectacular. We've also got the 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, 188 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque. It has a brand new 7-speed transmission. They even made the step bigger for me to clean the windshield. I really like that. If you can see the triangle up there, lots of brand new safety features that they've added that are active now. Active lane keeping assist. It'll use the brakes. It'll also vibrate. It'll give you visual warnings that you are sliding outside of your lane. It also has active collision impact assist. So in other words, it's going to try to stop you before you hit something. It'll apply the brakes. It's got high beam assist. So if you have your high beams on and you're approaching another vehicle, it will automatically turn them off. And another great feature that Mercedes-Benz has added is Distronic active cruise control. So what that means is when you're driving down the road, you have your cruise control on, 60 miles an hour, somebody is going 55 miles an hour, it will slow you, bring you back, keep you away from hitting that vehicle in front of you while you're driving. So another great feature on the 2019 chassis. Also have a new wet wiper system, and it also has a rain sensor on it, so it'll automatically come on when rain starts to hit the windshield. The driver passenger seats, new from Mercedes-Benz for 2019, have actual airbags built into the seats. We have leg extension, and look how comfortable that is. Very nice. We can still swivel it. Heated power seats now, which we never had before. And we have lumbar support here on the sides. Mercedes-Benz has added airbags into the front window pillars here and on the other side. Looks and feels like an S-Class vehicle here. Let's talk about the new MBUX navigation system, 10.25-inch monitor system. It feels like an iPad. It's very easy to use. We can actually voice command anything we want. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Find me a McDonald's. I should say find me a Jenny Craig.
Please select an entry.
Okay, so it's very simple that you can do that. Or, hey Mercedes, turn on my seat warmer passenger side.
I'm switching on the seat heating on the front passenger seat.
That will never get old. So you can hook up your phone. It does Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and has Sirius Radio. You can see all of your text messages, voice activate, reply back to them. So we can see what's going on with the vehicle. We also have assistance programs where you can actually download owner's manuals. It can also tell you what's going on in the vehicle when you're driving down the road. It can show you miles per hour. It actually can show you the torque, how much torque you're using while you're driving. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so far advanced. This MBUX is in line with every single luxury car that's made today. So this is really cool. We no longer have to put a key in an ignition. Fire it up. We can see what our miles per gallon are, what our horsepower. It also tells you the torque when you're driving. When you go to consumption, you can see what your miles per gallon are. Another great feature, you have profile setting. So you can set up for different profiles, different people that'll be driving. When you put your name in there, you can set, how you want your seat set and how far up or back. Go to the second profile, it would automatically set it up for that person. Nice big cubby hole here for storage. Lots of drink holders, big drink holders. I think this big super gulp would fit in there. That would be exciting. Of course, our heating control system right here. You can set the temperature. Up above, look at all this storage up here. More cup holders. So we've got 3 USB-C charging plugs, a 12-volt charging plugs, and certain iPhones and Androids with wireless charging capabilities can charge up here as well. And over here, more storage, another drink holder. So great storage up above here. So let's talk about this new Mercedes-Benz steering wheel. All redesigned, leather wrapped. It feels incredible. The shifter for the transmission, once again, 7-speed transmission. You also can shift it manually here, up or down, on this side down, this side up, and all the controls are right here. I can scroll through all the different settings on the chassis to see exactly what it's doing. Fuel economy, and then on this side, it controls the right-hand side. Look at this over here. Controls everything that's going on this side, right through the steering wheel. I can turn the wheel with my baby finger. We have traffic sign assist. This is really cool. I was driving down this desert road. I had no idea what the speed was. Boom, showed up on my screen off that camera that it was 25 miles an hour. You have active brake assist. It also has attention assist. So if you've been drifting out of your lane a few times, it's going to say, hey, time to pull over, get a coffee, maybe have a little nap. We have the active lane keeping assist. If you go outside your lane, it's going to alert you and let you know. It'll also apply the brakes. You'll feel a little vibration in the steering wheel. Also, we have Distronic Plus Active Cruise Control. If you subscribe to Mercedes-Benz Pro, has a great safety feature. If you get into a car accident, automatically dials 911, rolls down the windows, turns off the fuel pump. That's a great safety feature. So you can subscribe to that service with all leisure travel vans. You can join My LTV. They have some great service. They have travelers clubs. We have photo contests, product resources. You can check anything that's in the motorhome, how to winterize the motorhome. We have great videos on there, and that's part of the My LTV service. Once again, thank you very much for watching all of our leisure travel van videos. We have over 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Go and see your local leisure travel van dealer. Dean from Leisure Travel Vans.